If you're looking for a gorgeous home with land and seclusion, you just found it. The private driveway leads you to this beautiful home nestled among a multitude of mature trees. As soon as you walk through the door, you'll fall in love with this home. The huge windows greet you with stunning views of the property's 6.61 rolling acres on Summit Lake. The stunning eat-in kitchen features custom-made Miller cabinets with soft-close drawers, new stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertops. The desirable open floor plan is perfect for entertaining. Cozy up on a rainy fall afternoon by the incredible brick fireplace in the living room. The split bedroom design has 3 bedrooms on the main level, and the master suite is incredible and features huge windows to take in even more views. The ensuite features an inviting freestanding tub, separate shower, double sinks, and a walk-in closet. The loft area in the master bedroom overlooks the living room and kitchen and is the perfect space for an office or den. The walkout basement boasts a bar with a sink and mini refrigerator, making it the perfect place to host guests and entertain. Enjoy the back deck from summer to fall, watching the leaves change and the air turn crisp. The pool and lake will be ready for you to spend long days in the water next summer. Don't miss out on this magnificent property. Call Monica Ricci for all the details.